Have you ever wondered how people grow their money while they sleep? Or maybe you're thinking about starting to invest but don't know where to begin. Well, today, I'm going to show you exactly how to get started with investing, even if you're a complete beginner. Stick around because your financial future could be just one decision away. Welcome to today's video on investing tips for beginners. Whether you're new to investing or just trying to brush up on the basics, you're in the right place. Investing isn't just for Wall Street experts. You can start building wealth too. In this video, I'll break down some of the simplest and most effective strategies for getting started, along with a few crucial tips that could save you from making some common mistakes. Let's dive right in. 1. Start with a plan. Before you even think about investing, the first thing you need is a plan. Think of it like a roadmap for your financial journey. Why are you investing? Is it for retirement, a down payment on a house, or maybe a vacation fund? Whatever it is, understanding your goal will help you decide how to invest. Make sure to also figure out your time horizon. Are you looking to invest for the next 10 years? Or do you need access to the money sooner? Knowing these things will help guide your choices in the long run. Tip number 2. Understand risk. One thing you'll hear a lot about when it comes to investing is risk. It's important to understand that the higher the potential return, the higher the risk. But here's the thing, just because you hear the word risk doesn't mean you need to take crazy chances. A good beginner strategy is to diversify. That's just a fancy word for spreading your investments across different areas. Think of it like not putting all your eggs in one basket. Stocks, bonds, real estate, even cryptocurrency. By having a variety of assets, you can reduce the overall risk. Tip number 3. Start small, but start now. Many people think they need thousands of dollars to begin investing. The truth is, you don't. Thanks to platforms like Robinhood, Trade, and others, you can start investing with as little as $5 or $10. And trust me, starting small is better than not starting at all. The earlier you begin, the more time your investments have to grow. Thanks to compound interest, the money you invest can earn money over time. So even small contributions can make a huge difference down the road. Tip number 4. Learn about different investment options. Now let's talk about the different types of investments you'll come across. Here are a few simple options you should know about. Stocks. These are shares in companies. When a company does well, the value of your stocks may increase. But remember, stock prices can also go down, so it's essential to note that there's risk involved. Bonds. When you buy bonds, you're lending money to governments or corporations in exchange for interest. Bonds are usually considered safer than stocks, but they also offer lower returns. 5. Keep learning and be patient. One of the most important things to remember about investing is that it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about building wealth over time. The key is to keep learning and be patient. In the beginning, it can be easy to get caught up in the excitement of potential gains. But remember that it's okay if your investments don't immediately skyrocket. Keep educating yourself about markets, new investment tools, and strategies. Over time, your knowledge will grow, and so will your confidence. What if I told you that today, you're about to hear the single most important piece of financial advice you'll ever get? Stick around, because this could change your financial future forever. Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that could completely transform the way you think about money. And I promise, it's something you don't want to miss. So grab a pen, take some notes, and let's get started. Start with the basics. Why financial freedom matters. Let's start by understanding what financial freedom really means. It's not about having piles of money lying around or living a life of luxury. It's about gaining control over your finances, being able to make choices without constantly worrying about money. Financial freedom allows you to focus on what truly matters to you. But how do we get there? The secret to financial success, the 50-30-20 rule. Here's the key: budgeting. I know, budgeting doesn't sound exciting, but hear me out. One of the simplest, yet most effective ways to take control of your money is the 50-30-20 rule, it's really simple. 50% of your income goes towards necessities, things like rent, utilities, groceries, etc. 30% goes to your wants, things like entertainment, dining out, or shopping. 20% should go towards savings and investments. This is a straightforward way to make sure you're not living paycheck to paycheck and building a solid financial foundation. By using this rule, you're giving yourself the structure to grow your wealth while still enjoying life. The power of saving and compound interest. Now, let's talk about savings and investments. Here's the thing that often gets overlooked. Compound interest. It's like magic. The earlier you start saving and investing, the more time your money has to grow. Small contributions today can lead to huge rewards down the line. Even if you start with a small amount, if you invest it wisely, over time, you'll see it multiply. Imagine putting $100 in an investment account that grows by 7% a year after 10 years. That $100 becomes $200 without you lifting a finger. So the secret here is to start early, even if it's just a small amount. The longer your money works for you, the better. Minimize debt. Maximize freedom. Debt can feel like an anchor around your ankles, pulling you down. But here's something that will help you breathe easier. Minimize your debt. If you're stuck in high interest debt, like credit cards, focus on paying that off first. The more you pay off, the more financial freedom you'll gain. It may feel overwhelming at first, but taking it step by step can lead to huge changes. Focus on eliminating one debt at a time, and before you know it, you'll be debt-free. Investing for the future. Investing is crucial, but it doesn't have to be complicated. You don't need to know everything about the stock market or have millions of dollars to get started. Start small, whether it's through a 401k at work, a Roth IRA, or even apps that help you invest in fractional shares. The key is consistency. Regularly investing, even in small amounts over time, can lead to impressive results. And remember, you don't need to time the market. It's more important to be consistent and to stay in the game for the long haul. So there you have it, the best financial advice you'll hear today. Start by budgeting with the 50-30-20 rule. Save and invest wisely, and minimize your debt. If you follow these simple steps, you'll be on your way to financial freedom in no time. It doesn't matter how much you start with. What matters is taking the first step today. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll see the results. Your future self will thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips that could change your financial future. Thanks for watching.